All right,
What's
guys.
up, chat?
We are back. It is a YouTube issue, guys. Down Detector is showing massive reports of YouTube outages in the last 20 minutes. We're going to stick with you as best we can, but obviously this problem is out of our control. So stick around. We'll... Sorry, I had my audio in the background, and we're about 7 seconds behind on the streams. That tells me all we need to know. All right, guys. So everything is fine, I think, on our ends, tech wise and trading wise. So we'll continue as usual, and we'll try to not move our charts around as much and give people seizures. So in the meantime, guys, just bear with us, and hopefully Google works this crap out pretty soon. We will, guys, be having Joey Morgan on and Rips on during this stream, and we'll figure it out from there. So, yeah. So thanks for being with us, and thanks for pushing through our technical issues.
Google shares dropped 4%.
But I mean,
it might go a little further. Just give it time.
Guys, what we could do, though, is we could give away some Lightning funded accounts. What do you think?
I think that's a good solution.
That would be a good solution. I think so, too. So chat, make sure you smack that like button, because we're going to give away some Lightning funded accounts today. And we're currently sitting at 202 viewers. So if you can get the stream to, we're going to make it easy for the first one. Okay, if we can get the stream to 222 likes, angel number, then we're going to do our first Lightning funded account giveaway. So make sure you smack it right now. Let's see.
I'm actually watching my news feed too. This outage is big enough, and the reports have tripled in the last 5 minutes. I'm wondering if this doesn't pop up on the news feeds. Guys,
look, I'll put this on screen. What Matt just sent. This is the YouTube outage reports. Look at that spike here.
Well, and it got worse. It was at 9, like the reports were at 9:27, and then I checked it 2 minutes later, and it was at like 2,600. So, looks like they had some scattered issues overnight as well. So somebody needs to turn it off and back on again.
Well. Have you tried rebooting YouTube?
Have you tried redeeming it?
Yeah, I think Google needs to redeem themselves today.
Oh boy. Hey, but you know what? If price action isn't too great today, then it's a perfect day for that.
It is.
That's what I said, Schrodinger. I said it looks like a shit coin.
It really does. It really does. That's it. So
he says, "How do I short it?"
Oh, that's good.
Oh yeah, we had 138 likes on the old stream. I think we have to count those towards the giveaways, Nick, because they did do their job. But now we should have no trouble getting there. Y'all get to like it again.
But Matt, that's why I said we only have to hit 222, because usually it's 333 plus. So we're gonna make it easy for them. Angel number, it's 1111 today. Angel number, double number.
Oh gosh, I've never wanted to punch you in the face so much.
Wow.
Hey, you had the opportunity.
Violence on the stream.
You had the opportunity when you were here.
Yeah, we'll do a redo of the opening bell battle with us just all fighting.
Hey, we should actually do that next week. I swear, this will be funny.
I agree.
Like slow mo kick to the face, backflip into, I don't know. It's gonna be sick.
Yeah, y'all can do that and do your backflips and parkour shit. I'm gonna be in the corner eating a steak without ketchup.
Oh boy. No, actually, Matt is gonna wear the ketchup costume.
Yeah, all right. Yeah, wishing
you
one
better
hand
not bring
and
that
the other on that one and see which gets filled first.
I'm gonna call TSA to not let you through if you bring that freaking costume.
Hey, Drew ordered me to bring it. I have no option to not bring it. You know.
Well, if you're following Drew's orders, I'm pretty sure Drew will order you never to put ketchup on a steak again.
Nah, that order he cannot.
Oh, so now you're being selective.
No, but I follow work orders. You know, eating steak with ketchup is not a work order.
Yeah. Okay. All right. That's a nice story. Yeah. So anyway, guys, yes. So YouTube is having some streaming issues. Hopefully they get worked out. I'm going to keep an eye on the outages, and we'll hopefully be less laggy. Now it's gotten even worse, guys. 4,247 reports.
Nice.
Oh my gosh. It's not even. It's barely 6 a.m. in the
Well,
Pacific.
and what I like, if you guys don't, seriously, somebody told me about this site years ago. I don't know why it's not huge. Downdetector.com. It's a free site. Go in. If you're having issues with something, you report it. And you can see if something else is having issues. Like, because if we didn't know this was a YouTube issue, like poor Drew would be like routing wires out windows and onto the roof and all of that stuff. And so yeah, so obviously there's some big issues going on over at YouTube. I'm trying to see if there's anything else. Yeah, it's not just YouTube. Reddit is down. Spotify is down.
Oh, we have this all over again.
Pinterest is down. Let's see. AWS is having problems again. So guys, keep that in mind, right? Last time there were big AWS issues, Project X had problems. So very careful today. Now the reports on AWS are not nearly as high as they are across the board otherwise. But one of the cool things, guys, here's oh, it's going up again. So like right now, at 7:49 a.m., the downdetector.com shows 4,247 reports. The baseline 23. So yeah,
Oh my God.
we're having some problems.
Not this
The
all
internet
over
okay?
again.
Has somebody tried turning the internet off and back on again? Actually, just turn it off and leave it off for a little while. I think we could all deal with that.
Honestly, do you guys remember when Instagram and like most of the social medias were down for a whole day? This was back, I think, in like 2020 or 2021.
Yep, I remember.
And everyone was losing their shit, and I was like, "This is the best day ever."
that was during COVID.
Yeah.
Well, and what was funny and ironic and really in the spirit of everything is as soon as everything went back up, people started posting videos of them like outside touching grass and like for the first time in weeks. And it was
Doing normal things.
Yeah. But then they had to run back in and post it. So it was
Oh man.
like
every influencer was just losing it. Like, oh no.
Yeah, that's sucks if you need it for work.
Okay, I will say this. I have it up just onto the side, guys. It does appear Project X is a little shaky. Like it just locked up for me about 5 or 6 seconds. And then, yeah, be careful. If you're trading on Project X today, be careful.
Mine is still working for now.
Okay.
But let's see. I'll leave it open here so we can see.
We're up to 6,135 reports on.
Oh, awesome!
How high can it go?
That's it.
Yeah,
this is the most exciting chart I'm looking at right now.
Hey, as long as we can look at a chart. Oh, I see now that my mobile service provider has the same issue. So could be that I drop out. Maybe.
Oh.
My internet service provider.
Well, I guess we should just all take the day off at this point.
Apparently, goddamn, this is
bank holiday.
Thanks,
AWS
Bezos. Fucking up the internet again.
Jeff, I'm gonna call Jeff really quick. 1 second.
Jeffrey Bezos. Okay, Nick. I wonder how you look on stream lagging right now.
Looks like he's epileptic.
Oh man.
Yeah, he said I should go fuck myself. And yeah.
He says he's busy with what's her name's birthday party, the Jenner chick, the Kris Jenner.
Wait, what?
They hosted like a for her, I don't know, 70th or something. They had like a rager at Bezos' house.
Oh God.
Again, this is I know everything I know about these people. I learn against my will. It's ridiculous, but
I don't even know that. I think I like purposely try to keep myself away from pop culture as much as possible. Like my algorithm right now is just traveling hacks.
Yeah. Well, the problem is it's like if you look at I look at tweets or posts on Reddit about like certain movies that I'm interested in, and some of those are in like pop culture, like. So right there, like, oh, you're interested in this. Let me force feed you every fucking thing about every fucking person.
Like what the Kardashians are doing.
Yeah, God. I am proud to say I've never watched a minute of any of their shows, and I believe I'm a better human being because of it.
I would That doesn't surprise me.
Yeah.
Like if you sat there and actually watched it, I'd be like, what are we doing? But they're also everywhere, so.
Well, Zampic, let's keep the eyes wide shut references a little. Let's not, this isn't Tradeify after dark.
Hey, we're at 212 likes, guys. Chat. 212.
You all right over there, Miriam?
Maybe. I don't know. We'll see.
Probably not.
Are any of us?
Mom, come pick me up. I'm scared.
We're all a little delulu in our own ways.
Yeah, a little.
Some more than others.
None of us are fucking normal. I got news for you.
Oh man.
All right, we're keeping an eye on. Yeah, Verizon is having issues now. T-Mobile is having big issues.
Oh, lovely.
Wow, there's some real shit going
Who's
down.
not having issues?
AWS issue day all over again. Whee!
Let's see, Spike and Instagram, Facebook, all the social media having issues as well.
Uh-oh. Well, then it's a day to touch some grass, I think.
Twitter, I'm checking my Twitter. Twitter's fine for me.
My Instagram is working. Still.
Yeah, this is just be careful, guys, with any trading. I mean, who the hell knows what's going on? But yeah, I'll here actually let me put this up for you guys. If we can switch over to my screen real quick here. So yeah, this is you can see YouTube here. We peaked at a little over 6,000 reports. Verizon, T-Mobile, Clash Royale. That's probably one of those mobile games, isn't it? Xfinity, what a fucking shock. Yeah, you see this spike in reports over the course of the last few minutes. So, oh no, Pokemon's down. What the hell are we gonna do now?
No.
Oh shit, no. For real?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, my life doesn't make sense anymore then.
All right, so that's the site, guys. So again, it's something that as a trader you should be aware of, because if your platform's having issues, it's always frustrating. Okay, is my platform having issues? Is whatever prop the platform's through having issues? Is the my ISP having it like that? That's I'm not saying like you're definitively going to know, but at least it'll give you a clue. So like I said, poor Drew was thinking something was wrong on his end, and it turns out it's just it's a YouTube and possibly an AWS issue. But
but as we said, we're going to give away some lightning funded accounts. So
it's just do giveaways all day. Fuck it.
Yeah, since we did reach the 222 like goal, we're actually going to give away a 25k lightning funded account. So here's what you got to do. You got to like the stream. You got to subscribe to the channel. And once I give you guys the keyword, type that keyword in the chat, but only type it once, because if you type it more than once, you will get disqualified. The keyword to win a 25k lightning funded account is turn the internet back on. One word, no space. Good luck, everybody. I go now.
8 lane. You know what? We're lagging. We're having issues. Whatever.
Oh, you're lagging. You are lagging. Unfortunately, there's not a down detector for Miriam's brain.
Oh man, still jet lagging over here.
It's just baseline is 0, but there's been 2 reports, her and T. And Nick and I are about to add more. So.
Oh, that's good.
And what are we drinking this morning, Miriam?
What are we drinking? Someone mentioned that it looked like a salad bowl.
Yes.
Drinking a salad bowl.
And yeah,
is that a cup or a trough? What the fuck?
The bigger the coffee mug, the better it tastes, I guess.
You almost had that one. That's all right.
I know.
I'm rooting for you.
Coffee hasn't hit in yet.
Yeah, you act like it's like 6 in the morning there or something. Come on.
Yeah. Not early or anything. I haven't been up since like 3 in the morning. That's not what's happening these days.
Nick joined us last week. You're always welcome to join us Friday at the close. Lil DJ and I have started a new tradition of sips at the close. I poured a little bourbon, and he had some Coors Light for some fucking reason. But
it was fun.
I told him I'm literally going to send him a nice bottle of bourbon for him to sip on the next. Nick showed up. We bullshit for a little while, so it was what it was.
Okay. Sips at the close. It's a fun, fancy.
Well, we were gonna
name.
call it clinks at the close, like glasses clinking, but I realized that one slip of a word and that could get us all in trouble. So.
Yeah, maybe not.
Yeah.
You would not be able to redeem yourself.
I would not redeem myself from that one. No. Yeah, Drew was on lower whacker. Yeah, that's right. He was. We had to explain to Nick what lower whacker in Chicago is.
Yeah, but you explained it so well. I understood
it was in a Batman movie, so Nick knows exactly what it is. Yeah, what was that? The Dark Knight. It was New York in the first one, Chicago in the second one, and Pittsburgh was Gotham in the third one, which was interesting. But hey, it worked.
All right. Let's see. Should we pick a winner really quick for 25k Lightning funded account? Drew, can you run the giveaway bot? And let's see who gets it. Real Chris B, one of our OGs. Hey, Real Chris B, you just won a 25k Lightning funded account. Congrats.
Go.
Make sure to type something in the chat really quick. Everybody who's still typing, turn the internet back on. You can stop, although maybe if you continue, it might actually help and it's going to fix the issue. Who knows? But Real Chris B, congrats. 25k Lightning funded.
We've seen you in here.
I do see reload trades. I turned on my 14.4 bod. The kids aren't going to get that one reload, but yes, I get that. I remember when I got 28.8, I thought it was the fastest shit in the world, and that was the last one I think I had before broadband, and it was like, holy crap.
Bod modem?
Yes, the old dial-up modems, like you had to...
Oh, is that what they were called? I remember that. I just didn't know it was called the baud modem.
Did you know that they... that's the speed, like the baud, the bandwidth.
Oh.
They've just, for the last time, shut down the last AOL dial-up connection like 2 weeks ago.
Yes,
like
I thought I told you that.
There was still one out there.
Oh my god, yeah. I don't know how I feel about that. I mean, not that I ever used it, but damn, there goes my nostalgia.
You kids in your fancy wires and cable modems, it's too fast. You go too fast.
When you'd want to make a phone call and someone was using the internet, you just pick up the line. It's like,
and like early on in that, it would screw up the connection. So you'd have to like
right.
Yeah.
Turn the phone off.
Hey, by the way, Matt and Miriam, I think we have our guest ready. So Matt,
bring him on.
You wanna introduce him?
Oh, this is all you. I always introduce him.
All right. So I'm gonna introduce him. Guys, chat, get ready and put a welcome AI Joey in the chat, because laser tag AI Joey is gonna join us here in a second.
Joey? It's Joey fucking Morgan. What do you mean?
Nah, it's laser tag AI
it's
Joey.
Fucking Tron. What the hell is going on here?
Even has the laser tag protection glasses. What's
Dang, Joey,
the outfit, man.
Listen,
way to steer into the skid.
Listen, I gotta come prepared. You know what I mean? Gotta come prepared. I gotta play the part and play the look. But listen, guys, I don't have a lot of time today. The yacht's fired up. We're gonna be moving on the yacht today. All right. So we got to get to it. We got to start getting to it. You know what I mean?
Speaking of
you
playing
got the blue
part,
filtered glasses and everything, Joey.
Yeah, he's dressed as like a Norwegian DJ today or something.
Oh man,
it's I kind of like the style though.
You like it?
I mean, I'm not gonna lie. You're pulling it off. It's just it's a departure from what we're used to. So did you hear the whole internet sucks?
I did. Yeah, I heard it. Yeah. Heard all of it.
Mm-hmm.
How you guys doing this week, man? What's up?
Doing good. Doing good. How are you?
Chat, what's up? I'm good. Yeah, we're doing good over here. Nice and green. Yesterday started off the week hot. Today, I don't know. We'll see. I mean, it's a bank holiday, so we'll see. Chat, happy Veterans Day. All the veterans out there appreciate you, love you.
Absolutely.
And yeah, we'll see what today brings. But
awesome.
Not really.
What was how was your trade yesterday? What did you end up taking?
I ended up taking the long here, right here on the Nasdaq. We took when we took out London low, we took the reversal play, and
nice.
Yeah, took that long and rode her up. Caught a nice little 38 pointer.
Hey,
that'll pay the bills.
It'll do it, man. It'll do it. Tradeify accounts are looking healthy. Personal accounts looking healthy. We're almost to another payout in these Tradeify accounts, by the way.
That's awesome.
What, another
I was
one?
gonna say you're probably on your way to your third payout now.
Yeah, we're about to get our third payout out of these
Hey.
accounts. We're around 1,000 away from getting a payout.
That's
Nice.
awesome.
Yeah.
Smooth sailing from here.
Man,
Yeah.
you're gonna be live before you know it.
Yeah, we're just gonna scalp our way to it. You know what I mean? Just take base hits and get that 1,000 and take that payout.
We are just kind of cautiously warning people that Project X is on AWS and they're reporting some issues. So I noticed a couple of hiccups with mine. So if you or any of your traders are on Project X, tell them to be careful today.
I'm sticking to my beloved Tradeify.
Yeah, that's why I've been moving all my accounts over there as well.
Mm-hmm. So Joey, you're in the Grand Cup right now, right?
Guys, I'm out. Yeah,
It's okay.
I would.
No,
Yeah, I hit a bad run in the account and it smoked me. So I'm out.
All good.
Well, welcome to the team, Joey. Matt is the only one carrying us right now.
It's my fault, right? I was sitting pretty decent in the tournament. I was top 200. I think I was like ranked 130 in the tournament or so. And I was like, you know what? I'm gonna sit here and I think I'll be all right with where I'm at. And I woke up the next morning and I was like 170. I was like, okay, maybe I should take some maintenance trades. You know what I mean? Just take some maintenance trades just to stay top 200. And turns out the maintenance trades just weren't. They weren't good. So hit a little losing streak, and yeah. So here we are.
Well, it happens. It happens. Better there than in your real accounts here.
Yes. Oh, absolutely. Yeah.
Well, you can dry your tears with your payouts.
Yeah. I think we're gonna survive.
Yeah.
I think so too. But
Do
hey,
you ever feel? What's that, Nick? Sorry.
go ahead, Mary. Go ahead.
I was just gonna ask you, like, in terms of, I mean, because you've obviously been killing it with the payouts, right? Do you ever feel a sense of wanting to get there quicker? Like, for example, right now you say you're $1,000 away, right? Do you find yourself trying to rush through trades to get there quicker?
Actually, no. I actually created a video about that. Well, it was part of the video yesterday that I uploaded to YouTube. I found that I'm getting to payouts much quicker when I don't try to get to them quickly. You know what I mean? Because I'm taking a lot better trades. I mean, I'm not really taking very many trades throughout the day. And so I kind of just let them come to me, right? And it's like, for these accounts, when you get to the first payout, getting to the second one can come a lot faster than the first one, right? Because you only have to meet the profit target again. You already have account balance, so you can get to the second payout much quicker than the first one. But I mean, again, I'm not trying to force anything or rush it. I'm letting it all just come when it comes. Yeah. And I'm getting to them much faster.
Yeah, that's amazing, because that's something that I think can trip up a lot of people, right? They say, oh, I'm $600 away. I'm one trade away from taking a payout. And then that's when they start to really spiral or try to focus more on the money than the process. Yeah. So yeah, that's something that I always wonder with traders, that, obviously you're doing amazing, you're doing great. So I do get curious, like, is that something that comes up for you or not? But that's amazing. What is there anything that you do specifically to try to, do you even look at your payout number? I mean, how do you try to get over that, or how would you recommend?
At the end of the day, I'll see what my account balance is, but I don't focus on it too much. I mean, fortunately, I think it comes from a place of I'm doing good, like I'm good, right? So I don't necessarily need the money. You know what I mean? Yeah. I don't need it. I'm not trading from a place of need. And so I think that, again, that reflects into my trading and allows me to be a little bit more patient with taking payouts or making money, right? And so the message behind that is just having something that's takes the pressure off of you in your trading, to where you don't feel like you have to force it or have to rush anything. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I will back that up. I will tell you, in the last decade or so, the times I've traded the best and had the best outcomes is when I have the most cash in my bank account and don't have to sweat taking some money out of a personal account or something like that. But yeah, it's a to decide kind of how to be aggressive and when to be aggressive is a battle. from time to time. And speaking about, time for the opening bell battle. It's weird. I'm never not going to see that bass drum now. That's so weird. It's just like random in there. But
It's
whatever.
so
And
good.
see it.
Yeah. So, all right, guys. So we are under 5 minutes now, 4 minutes to the New York Open. It is bank holiday today. It is Veterans Day, so let's be very, very careful. These are unusual days, guys, in terms of how the price action may progress. It may be a fairly normal day in terms of movement. It may be a shitty day in terms of movement. So again, and for those of us still alive in the Grand Cup, remember you cannot win it today, but you can lose it. So be very careful. A+ trades only for me in that account, and let's see where we're at.
Absolutely. What are you looking at specifically, Joey, on the charts?
I'm kind of feeling like we're probably going to have just an inside day from yesterday's range, right? So that's kind of that's my expectation. We had a lot of movement yesterday, which was honestly pretty surprising. We had a double break on the IB, which is pretty rare. It's a less common deal with the initial balance. Usually we have a single break or a no break, but for us to get a double break on the IB yesterday, that's some pretty insane movement. Especially for the IB range that we had. And honestly, a weird day too, right? It's a Monday, a day before a bank holiday. So it was just interesting to see us get the price action that we did. With that said, I'm really anticipating just an inside day for the market, being a bank holiday, the movement we had yesterday. I think the market's going to probably hang out here for a little bit. So that's something I'm watching for. Now, if we do work to get some movement, I will watch for yesterday's low as well as yesterday's high.
Okay.
And watch for those things. But right now, my expectation is that we're going to have a little inside day here.
Well, we did already sweep yesterday's high.
Yeah.
So,
and we're rejecting this.
Yeah, sorry. Let me rephrase that. The overnight high.
There. Fair. Let's see. 1 minute and 50 seconds.
Yes,
So, Joey.
Yes, sir.
When are you streaming from the boat?
When it's not 30 degrees outside.
Hey, we're supposed to have a gorgeous weekend.
We are. Listen, I will say it's supposed to be like in the 70s this weekend, I think here.
Yeah, it's supposed to be like mid 70s here.
So I will be on the boat this weekend, chat. I'll be gone. I'll be MIA. The yacht is moving. All right, the yacht is moving. We're gonna be going coast to coast on Saturday.
Nice.
Nice.
I'll be out. So I mean, listen, if you were streaming on Saturday, I would show up. I'd show the yacht. I show where I'm at. It's beautiful scenery.
Hey, if it comes down to that, I will stream this Saturday.
Maybe, listen, if you go live on Saturday, I will pop in.
On Saturday. That's crazy.
We just stare at non-moving charts all day.
All right, guys. So it is day 3 of the knockout round of the Grand Cup. The top 3,386 traders will advance today. And then things start getting real dicey tomorrow because we're going to have some to get down to 200 by Friday. We're really going to have to start chopping people. So, again, A+ trades today, bank holiday. Be careful. We are 30 seconds from the New York Open. NQ showing a 5-minute ATR of 17.3. That's decent. That's pretty good for a little pre-market action. We're steadily, basically since midnight, we've been pretty steadily below the -1 standard deviation on Bebop. We're only down 0.4%, and we have a history of rallying in the first hour. So let's see what happens, guys. Check your orders, clear your cash. YouTube is fucked up, but we're still here with you guys.
What's wrong with YouTube?
Ding, ding, motherfuckers. Let's get to work. YouTube is, well, we don't know if it's YouTube or AWS, but if you go to downdetector.com, they were over 6,000 reports of issues, and we were lagging for a bit.
It's still lagging.
Okay, still lagging a little bit. As long as the audio's coming through, guys, and like I said, we'll be good about not zipping our charts around too much. I regret that you can't see our smiling faces in wonderful smooth motion, but
But I probably get the best screenshot moments because we all freeze in like random positions
with really weird looks on our face. I mean, more than usual.
Getting this break to the upside here on ES.
Yeah, we'll see what kind of PA we get. Like I said, I'll be watching the that 700 level, see how we react there, and then if we do pop 700s going up to 760s, see how we react there. I don't really expect a trend day, you know.
Yeah.
And so any pops of key levels, I'll be looking to take probably the reversals from those areas. Just going with the expectation that we are going to have a rangy day.
Yeah, and just given all the issues going on too, is kind of like I said, you don't want to. It's a bank holiday. You don't want to like risk too much. Just want to be very careful.
Yeah, yesterday's initial balance was just insanity. The price action that we got, seeing us double break, was honestly a dream. I mean, that the failure down there on IB low was incredible.
Yeah, that was interesting for sure. I mean, ES yesterday was in the morning was really struggling at a key level until we finally got the reversal of that. But then we got a bounce, an even stronger bounce.
Market's opened, right?
Right.
Okay.
Yeah. Right. Kind of feels like that, huh?
I mean, did I do the ding ding motherfucker at the wrong time? I was checking the clock. Like I thought somebody would have cut me off if I was doing that at the wrong time, but no. I will make a bold prediction though. A chop day. I mean, like a full day. Let's say we're within a 200-point range in the NQ, maybe a 50 or 40-point range in the S, is going to shake that leaderboard up on the Grand Cup.
Oh yeah,
because there's going to be people.
Very likely, yeah.
Because if you're in the 3000s, you got to be aggressive today. Like you have to full port. Like you don't really have a choice there.
That sounds like background Nick right there. You have no choice. You have to full port.
Do it.
Well, I mean, today there will be 1,451 traders that will be eliminated. So.
Oof. Yeah, a chop day is really gonna. I think people are gonna struggle with it for sure.
As long as you're in the top 3,386, you will advance to tomorrow. So no stress.
We got Wiz in the chat. Good morning, sir.
What's up, Wiz? Hey, gold is dropping. Gold's dropping big right now.
Gold moving.
Yep.
Ooh, baby, gold selling. Holy. Gold might be the mover for the day.
Maybe. Let's see.
Sheesh. Miriam, how was your trip? You're muted. Is she muted or is it me?
Yeah, no, I can't hear her.
I can't hear her either.
She is muted. She is muted.
I'm muted.
Ooh.
I'm like, yeah. No, it was really great. It was really great. We went to so many different places. A lot of things to do in 3 weeks. It's definitely feels like not enough time to really see everything, but we also saw everything, so it felt like a well explored trip. That's all.
Nice. Epic.
Yeah. So it's good. We had I think it was like what was it? Oh my god, Halloween. I couldn't even think of it. Halloween in the in Italy and Paris, like apparently it's a thing overseas. So
wow.
I didn't know that.
That's cool.
But learn something new every day.
Hey.
Oh man, RTY looks like crazy wick that it put in here on the 5-minute. I'm interested to see if ES can clear this beep bop level. There's some sellers sitting at 850. I'm going to be watching this for a potential move to the upside. Otherwise, to the downside, I want to see this pre-market low hit and clear. Those are kind of the levels that I'm looking at for today. I'm not going to get too excited with any sort of moves today, though. Just kind of what you mentioned too, Joey.
A lot of tech issues across the internet today. Trade at your own risk.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, Project X so far is smooth for me.
It is for me as well. I just noticed that one hiccup when we were first noticing issues, so I'm watching it very closely. It's seems all right.
Boy,
Hey, good morning, USA. How you doing?
tech issues plus a holiday.
Oof, right?
Sounds like a boat day.
Well, I'm looking at the temperature for right. I mean, I'm a few hours away from you, but it close enough.
Well, I don't even know what the temp is outside. What is it, like 30?
33 right now.
Yeah.
26 when I took my dog out this morning.
Oh yeah, it's 39 here.
Hey, Miriam, did you see that? Somebody in the chat said, Lifted Trader said Halloween originated in Ireland, according to Google.
Interesting. Yeah, I didn't know that either. I thought it
By the way,
originated in Salem, Massachusetts.
Chat, let's set a new like goal.
Investors from there, Mariam?
Do I have it? Probably.
Let's set a new like goal really quick for another 25K Lightning funded account giveaway. Let's set 505. So if you haven't already, make sure you smack that like button. 505, and we're going to do another 25K Lightning funded account giveaway. You don't even have to pass an eval with that one. You literally are funded immediately for free if you win.
No, Joey, it's a yachting day. That is correct. Correct.
Well,
What up, Trey?
Joey is at a level, chat, where he calls his yacht a boat because it's just normal for him to have like a yacht.
Yeah, it's just a normal, it's just a regular boat, you know? Doesn't everybody have one?
What do you mean you don't have a boat?
What do you mean?
Are you one of the poors?
No. One of the common people. Cries and rich.
Nice rejection here of Bebop on ES.
Yep. That's that level. 850.
Yeah,
835.
that's
also
actually why
has a lot
Joey's
of buyers.
got to take all these payouts. He's got to pay the yacht staff.
Yeah.
These payouts are gasoline money.
Yeah.
That's
For
gas
one
money
day.
to be a cruise. What's up, D Nice?
D9.
Jake Wallen.
I mean, it actually is D nice though. That's the funny part.
Hey, Aaron.
Hey, Aaron. Jake Wallen.
Jake Wallen.
You have to go see Principal Oshag Hennessy.
Oshag Hennessy. Oh, good times. Oh man, let's see if we get out of this range. Range. 15 minutes will be established here, and
No, seriously, the markets did open, right?
yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Telling y'all, bank holidays typically slow moves.
I'm not taking the heat for this chop, guys. Barco Joey doesn't exist today. This is pure bank holiday movement.
Yeah.
Marco
Oh yeah.
Joey
With
sounds like an errand runner for the mob. Hey, we got to call Barcode Jody. He'll take that paperwork up.
Joe.
Yeah, we'll take it for you.
Yeah, Wiz, that's a good one too. Balake.
If we all just go long in our SEM accounts, will that affect the markets?
Yes,
Yeah.
100%. They're gonna stop. They're gonna hunt our stops.
Yeah.
Damn, they are rejecting that level like crazy. There's sellers every time they keep getting the buying pressure. Same thing that happened yesterday. Every time they get buying pressure come in, there's no follow through. And they just shove it back down. Let's see. I kind of like the score short, but it's one of those days where I'm also not picking the day.
Who in the what now?
Being that it's a bank holiday. Oh, there it is. That don't swipe those orders. See if 600 clears here and then 571 on the NASDAQ.
Yeah.
Only thing is we have a demand zone sitting right below that at 524. That was the same area yesterday that we were, I think that was opening range low, yesterday's opening range low at 524.
Yeah, I got a couple of tools that I use on just some browser stuff, and it's all locked up right now. Like I said, everyone be very, very careful today.
That's some scary stuff. Get trapped into position.
Oh my gosh.
Yep, that's ugly.
That's happened to me a handful of times, and it's like the most nerve-wracking thing. Because you just sit there, you're like, all right, what do I do? That's why you should always have a second laptop or some way of entering your trade that's not your main setup.
And I'm not even kidding. If you have a real brokerage account, like live money brokerage account, and you need to have, they should be on your speed dial. I know speed dial is old thing, but you need to be able to tell. I'm not going to say it because it's going to activate everybody. SIRE or SIRI or whoever to call this. But you got to get somebody. And if you're broker, if you can't get the trade desk on the phone within 5 or 10 minutes, they shouldn't be your broker.
Facts.
The scariest tech issue that I faced a while back, this was a long time ago, was I entered one mini contract, and when I entered, it kept adding to my position. It kept adding a contract.
God!
It added all the way up to like the full 10 minis, and just kept going. I watched my contract size go from just 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm like, what is happening right now?
That sounds like fun.
But the question is, did you make money?
No. The accounts got blown, but the issue got fixed.
Oh, okay.
So it was pretty scary.
Well, thanks for falling on your sword for everybody else. We appreciate that.
Wild work. That is crazy. Getting a rejection here. Maybe watching ES to clear 835. Nice rejection right now that we're getting. But it can also be a little bit of a choppy day, so.
A choppity chop.
Let's see.
Jessica says, hey, Nick, the 221 likes was passed and no giveaway. Well, first of all, it was 222. And second of all, we did do the giveaway.
Don't be a dick for a tick, Nick.
Don't be a dick for a like.
Hey. We got to hit 505 now for the next one. We're sitting at 421. So better smack that like button, Jessica.
Doobie doobie doo.
Doobie doobie.
Yeah, small. Probably gonna be a smaller range today.
Looks like it.
Not going to be anything exciting.
Yuck.
So we talked about how we didn't get non-farm guys. Goldman Sachs estimates U.S. non-farm payrolls fell by about 50,000 in October, the largest drop since 2020. Its job growth tracker slowed to 50,000 from 85,000 in September, with an additional 100,000 jobs cut due to the Trump administration's deferred resignation program. The banknote rising layoffs and weaker labor market indicators are also showing red. Payroll reports for September and October remain delayed by the government shutdown.
Hey.
I think that's Goldman Sachs' way of telling us the number without telling us the number.
Right.
Because I said it, I've said it, I don't care who the president is or what party or what you tell me that the big banks don't get those, reports, but come on. I'm not people, me, I'm not any kind of like conspiracy theorist or anything like that, but that's common sense. And there's people in this business that have all but confirmed that at various points, whether accidentally or on purpose.
Yes, chopping around.
Let's see what the Mag 7's doing. Nvidia had a really strong day yesterday.
Not so much
Yeah, it did.
today.
Yeah, not so much today.
Nvidia got downgraded by somebody before the market. I saw that.
They did?
Yeah.
Interesting.
Oh no, SoftBank sells their stake in Nvidia. That's what it was.
Ah,
So big firm cashing out.
They're down 2.5. Yeah. They were up like,
curious to see
weren't they up like
whether-
5% at one point yesterday?
yeah.
Yeah, they were up big yesterday.
This level too, oh my gosh, they had a really strong level that they on Friday when we came down, we had that down day. They held this level so perfectly. It's a 179 level. Now they've been rallying since, but let's see what they do today. They have a little bit of a gap to fill. But yeah, NASDAQ and ES not really doing much. Not really doing much here. ES trying to catch a bid here. Like I said, that 850, 848 level is going to be key.
I kind of want to short this here.
Do it.
Full port short.
Full port short. Is that a Tuesday thing?
The thing is, that is like the midpoint of the previous 4-hour candle, and it's holding so nicely. And it's on the beep up.
Beep up.
Bebopski.
Bebopski, is that the new name?
Bebopski.
Beep up, ski dap, skap, ski bap.
That's the Polish version of Bebop.
Yeah. Oh, man.
Oh man.
Did you do anything fun this weekend? Last weekend, Joey?
Did I?
Other than-
Actually, I don't even know. What did I do?
I know. I'm trying to remember what I did this weekend.
Yeah, I don't know. The days just kind of blur together at this point.
Tell me you're a middle-aged dad without telling me you're a middle-aged dad.
Now wait a minute. I'm not middle-aged.
Hey.
Your hairline disagrees.
Dang.
I was middle-aged in my late 20s. It is what it is.
Apparently, I'm 50. So
I don't know where that got started. All right, we're all looking for the guy who did it, so
Yeah.
we're gonna figure it out.
It's
Me,
okay.
me and OJ are gonna find the killer, and then we're gonna find out who started that rumor.
Oh wait, now I remember what I did. My wife and I, we found a babysitter and we went and hung out with a couple of our friends and went out for a night.
Nice.
I had a good time.
That sounds fun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe there's a reason why I don't remember it.
Yeah. Yeah. A little too much fun.
Yeah, there's a couple that we met in the area here as well, and I'm rescuing him from his two kids tonight to go to the hockey game. So we'll
Nice.
I'm gonna take him there and put a couple beers in him and let him relax for a little while.
Rescuing him.
There's quite a few hockey games going on, huh?
Well, the schedule is very compact this year because they have the whole month of February, almost the whole month of February off for the Olympics. So they're basically cramming an 82 game season into like 4.5 months, which is insane. There's so many times on the schedule they're playing 3 out of 4. There's one stretch they play like 7 games in 11 days or something like that, or 12 days. And every team's got to deal with it. It's insane. But yeah, it's teams that have had some early injury problems are just getting destroyed. Usually you play 2 games a week. Somebody misses 2 weeks, they miss 4 games. They're missing like 7 games. And if you get, it's like in any sport, if you get injuries stacking at one position, it just destroys your whole team. So yeah.
Dang. Well, at least you're getting the most out of your season tickets.
So far. Now, if we could just not shit the bed in a game, I'd appreciate that.
Oh man, nice rejection here of this. Well, Bebop, but also 646 on NASDAQ. ES also rejecting as well. This 848 level again. Let's see if we can clear 835. NASDAQ would need to clear this pretty much low.
Gold just tanked 15 points as well.
Yeah.
Hey.
Damn, nice rejection of VWAP too on gold.
Mm-hmm.
Gold needs to clear a few levels though to the downside, I would think.
Yeah, I think gold's got some more room, possibly down to those lower 120s.
We did just take out London low on NQ.
Yeah,
Yeah.
NQ is moving down.
Yeah, NQ is falling right now.
Getting some nice
And a
sellers here.
pseudo 50-point drop there on that
Yeah.
candle. 3-minute candle.
Wow. Yeah.
Really interesting movement for the time. I mean, we opened and chopped, and now we're getting this selling pressure. Is pretty interesting.
Yeah. Yeah. Yes, also still rejecting my trend line. Not able to, both futures actually rejecting my trend line. Not able to clear.
Gold might just bounce off that previous day high again. Let's see.
ES
Let's-
actually has a lot of room to the downside. Sorry, go ahead.
No, just a let's see. You're good.
Oh. ES actually has a lot of room to the downside, more than NASDAQ right now. We could try to hold at that 8. So 835 is not just a key level from yesterday, but also see some decent buyers sitting there. And that's also pre-market low. So I would assume that we do try to hold, unless obviously we just get some traction below that. But if we do break that, I kind of actually do like it for shorts. So let's see.
NQ looks like he just wants to crack hard.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah, I'd be watching pretty much the entire range from like 507s to like 520s down there. I feel like that'd be a good area for NQ to potentially bounce out.
Yeah,
I agree.
yeah.
I agree.
That's pretty much where I have a demand zone sitting from like 526 down to 450.
Gold trying to catch a bid down here in the 30s.
Chat, just
Yeah.
a quick reminder to smash the like button. We need 45 more likes, and then we're going to do another 25K lightning funded giveaway.
This would be the area that I would expect gold to reject if it wants to see more selling. Literally right where it came to 133. But I think it does need a clear previous day high sitting at 41.24. Nvidia's getting a nice selling coming in as well. Very nice. Interestingly, Apple's up really
How much?
nicely.
I feel like Apple's kind of been the oddball.
Yeah, I agree. I agree. It's always kind of, felt like that. Tesla I'm getting some selling as well. Tesla has a nice wick to fill to the downside, actually. It's in that wick fill right now. ES still holding on to these levels here. NASDAQ did break pre-market low, but still technically holding for now. Like I said, there's a lot of buyers sitting on ES at 835. So I wouldn't be surprised if they came down, maybe like did a look below and fail, and then held it. NAS has some buyers at 559, 560, and then kind of like some stack liquidity sitting below that. So like 555, 550. Yeah, we'll see. Yes, holding though. NAS needs to clear those sellers sitting at 55.89 or 25.589. Definitely the weaker of the bunch.
Mm-hmm. NASDAQ having a little tug of war down here in the 60s to 70s.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
Yeah, there's just no. I've just been watching this candle. It's literally looked like a reversal candle and a bottom drop out candle 3 times each.
Yeah, nothing's screaming out to me so far. Futures are kind of out of sync with each other too. I mean, they are both below their pre-market highs, but still not like I mean, not pre-market highs, but they're session highs. I'm just not very convinced right now on direction. Nas still getting the selling coming in here. I wonder if it's Nvidia and Tesla. Well, Tesla's trying to hold.
Yeah, Nvidia now down 3%.
Crazy.
Nvidia falling. Goodbye.
You are the weakest link.
I was just about to say that.
That's great. See if NASDAQ can clear these significant wall of sellers sitting at 590. It is getting the buying coming in though, so let's see, there it is. Cleared those orders.
Wow.
Wonky day.
That's some buying there. Coming right back up into the middle of the range.
Yep. So exactly the price action I can't do anything with.
No.
Yeah, options premiums are getting wrecked on this. Just watching the options chain right now. I'm trying again for the upside here on ES. Let's see if they can clear this level now.
Gold also trying to catch a little bit. 130s.
Yeah, so London low was swept on NQ. Might see a push higher here.
I really don't like that ES is above its VWAP level and NAS is still below it.
Looks
I
it
do like
wants
to see them
follow.
both in sync. Even though 850 is clearing here on ES.
It looks like it wants to follow though, NQ.
NQ is getting some strength there.
Actually, this is a long setup for me if we get a 5-minute candle closure through 620 at 619.50.
SPX is also in the gap fill here. Got the break of opening range high, but I honestly don't love it. This is giving me very much the same vibes that it did yesterday, and I ended up taking a loss on that push to the upside. So I'm not super in love with this trade, to be honest. Even though this is something that I would normally take, I just don't like the lack of volume today. And I don't like the NASDAQ's below its VWAP level.
I could see a potential long if we were to pull back into like the mid to low 590s. But
yeah, that was a really good hold of pre-market low there on NASDAQ. Yes, didn't even tap into that level. Definitely the stronger of the two.
Good old SMT.
NASDAQ potentially going to beat Bop here.
It looks like it wants to.
Yeah. Yep.
We're 9 likes away from the like goal, guys.
You know, something tells me not to trust this. But also, I'd probably rather wait for one more minute for this 10 a.m. candle to come in.
Yeah, I'm waiting for that as well. But I do get, it looks like I'm going to get a setup here for longs. Let's see.
$630s going up to test Bebop here.
Ten seconds left on this candle.
I really want to see NASDAQ above 645. I don't like that it's that close to that rejection level. Even though ES is still strong. And that's...
All right, I did get a setup here but I'm not in yet. I want to see a pullback and then reaction candle, and then I'm gonna take a long. Sorry, not a short.
I don't love this. I don't like this. Yep. See if ES holds here. 848. NAS would literally need to hold at 607, 609. Call it 600 at this point. What's gold doing? Gold's rejecting its 9 EMA as well, but trying to hold the opening range low.
Everything just feels very trappy.
Yeah, it really does.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I agree.
Can confirm. Haven't made a trade in the Grand Cup account, and I moved up 7 spots. So
That's great. That's hilarious. Mm. Mm, mm, mm.
Yeah, I'm not in love with how the Nasdaq's moving currently.
I am about to enter longs. We'll let you know when I do. Okay, I'm in. That was bad.
What's your target on these?
Get in quick.
Yeah,
Quick, now.
market order.
I had,
now.
I had a limit order up there. I'm going for a 1-to-1, so I'm risking a little bit over 20 points, 21 points, and I'm aiming for 21 points.
Are you showing it on your charts?
I am on my charts, yeah. But I'm about to get stopped out. That was quick.
It does need to hold 600. What's your stop at?
606.50. We might go a bit lower at 93.50. I would, if we reject that, I would take another entry. If we have to.
Yes, this is like the point where they both literally need to hold. Like ES can move down to 844. Call it even like 842, but need to hold. Naz is trying to hold this trend line as well.
guys, bear with us on screen switching and all that stuff. Drew's behind the scenes working on the stream, trying to get us stabilized a little bit. So things, it might be a little slow. Just give us a little grace today, guys. A little grace.
Just a little bit of grace.
Saying it. Let them know.
It's all my ladies in the States with style and grace.
I'm just waiting on Miriam to drop the hottest 16 of 2025. You know what I mean?
I think it stopped out on that one.
Wow.
It just gets stopped out.
They are nasty with it today. Yeah, it feels fake outy today. I don't like it. I don't like it.
But I said if 93.50 would react, I would take it again.
It just feels like draggy, like a slow, draggy day. Like I want an aggressive move.
Yeah, I don't think that's happening today.
Yeah, doesn't really look like it.
We're getting trapped between VWAP and the -1 standard dev on the NQ, and that's not a place you want to be because it's just going to chop in there.
We ain't in Kansas anymore. Have you ever been to Kansas? I mean, you're like right there, Joey.
Yeah, I've driven through it.
I've never been there on purpose.
Yeah, I'm not
Took the wrong exit in Kansas City somewhere. But
I'm not intentionally going to Kansas.
Yeah. There's a hurricane festival in Kansas today.
Well, naturally, where else would it be?
Oh, man. Range chop until a drop. Usually, yeah, redneck trades. That's kind of what I'm hoping for. Redneck trades, I know you've been to Kansas. I have a family.
He out there in
farm
them
Kansas.
sticks.
What's that?
He's out there in them sticks.
In them sticks.
Hey, wait, my girlfriend is in the chat, and usually when she's here, the market goes up. So get ready for long.
Hey, Romina, what's up? Romina's probably like, you think Nick is active? This girl is another level.
She is active like nobody else. I'll tell you
She's
that.
probably already swam a mile and ran a triathlon and yeah, crazy work. Good for her.
That's right.
NASDAQ now trapping these longs.
Mm-hmm.
Squeezing them.
Yes, trying to hold on to this opening range low here on at 840. Like I said, 835 has some buyers sitting there. We tried to come into that level. We're not successful. But yeah, not in love with it. Not in love. Oh!
Oh my.
All right. That's fine.
Oh, NASDAQ.
There's a drop.
Where are we going? Oof.
Shit.
Nasdaq's like, yep, see ya.
Your account's been set to auto liquidated.
Oh no.
No.
Imagine.
Wild.
Golly. What happened?
ES cleared those buyers at 68.35. Now we have a level down at 68.30. I'm gonna be watching here.
That was a wild drop.
Yeah, that was Bookmaps looks insane on that.
Yeah, they just swiped a bunch of stops there. Now keep in mind, guys, if the big money's not on the board today, you're gonna see a lot of this, right? Because it doesn't take 10,000 contracts to swipe it down like that. So
I'm still waiting. I'm not in anything yet.
This looks like he wants to fake out again, though.
Does. It all feels everything about today feels trappy.
Yeah, that was nasty. That was a nasty move to the downside. That was like 10 points in like 3 seconds. Trying to hold here. Pre-market low on ES, of course. Those rats. NASDAQ made a nice move down, but could try to retest here at 571.
Now run it all the way back to Bebop.
Yeah, actually,
That would be funny.
that'd be crazy.
That would be funny.
Yeah, ES still trying to catch a bid here. Wild work. That's why you don't chase.
Damn, NQ moving all the way back up.
Run it all the way back to Bebop.
Looks like he wants to.
Dude, this is just all trappy. Everyone's getting trapped.
It's a trap.
You get a trap, and you get a trap.
Everyone's like, get long, get short. No,
Yeah.
get long
Which
again.
one is
No,
it?
short it. Size up, long it.
Yeah. Literally.
And then when they're right, they're like, I told you so.
Yeah. Naz is trying to reject this pre-market low level.
5 stop outs later. I knew it was gonna go.
Yeah, yeah. I told you. Still holding.
This doesn't want to go anywhere.
Right back to the middle of the range.
Fun day. Who's having a blast today,
Yay.
guys?
Hey, we're having fun. All right,
That is
chat.
dirty work.
Chat. Now we for real have a way to fix the stream lag. So again, unfortunately, we have to stop the stream really quick, and we're going to be live on a new one. So make sure you have an eye on the Tradeify TV channel here, the YouTube channel, and we should be back in about like 3, 4, 5 minutes. So we'll see you in a sec.